Tired of writing checks or logging into multiple sites? Bank of America Bill Pay lets you schedule payments to almost anyone, right from your online account or app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into online banking and go to the Bill Pay section. You'll start by adding a payee, the company or person you want to pay. You'll need their name and your account number with them. Once added, you can schedule a payment. Choose the amount, the date you want it sent, and which Bank of America account to use. You can set up one-time or recurring payments for regular bills. My crucial pro tip? Schedule payments 3 to 5 business days before the due date. Don't cut it close. This buffer accounts for processing time, especially for the first payment to a new payee or if a weekend is involved. It ensures your payment is never late, avoiding fees. Simplify your monthly routine and never miss a due date again. How many bills do you currently manage with online bill pay? For more guides on organized finances, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.